Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is your brother Sayyid Alish and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can Mac the app of Chatgpt. Anyone are talking about Chatgpt and like they have a website, they don't have any app and blah 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 blah, whatever. We don't have any work with that. We will cover the whole method how you can make the app of any sort of website, not just Chatgpt. Any sort of website you can make app of that one website in your phone. You can publish it in your Play Store, anywhere, but you can make you can make an app of any sort of website which will be present in your phone. When you click on it, you'll be go directly to the website. Okay, so today in this video I'm going to learn you that one method I'm using from a long time, so I want to show you to you guys. So let's go towards the video. But before starting, I'm going to do a little bit of request to you that if you haven't already subscribed my YouTube channel, so make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well for the further informative videos like this. Let's go. You can see here on my mobile screen. Now you have to go and open your Chrome browser, okay, and search in the search bar here Chatgpt. There we go. You can see here the list of a website will come in front of you. You have to click on the first one, website, and a little bit scroll down. And you can see here try Chatgpt. Click on it. Try Chatgpt, click on it, and there we go. You can see here the dashboard of OpenAI will come in front of you. If the dashboard will not just like this, so what you have to do is I'm gonna give you the link and the description below. You can watch the video because of you don't know about Chatgpt, and after now you can sign up to Chatgpt, because when you already sign up, this sort of dashboard will be open in front of you. And if you think so this is bullshit method, go again and again, Google Chrome, and again then go to search bar and search there again, and again open the website, and it's a long method and a simple method. I'm gonna show you. If any sort of website don't have first, any sort of website have, but if this sort of website which don't have app, what you have to do, I'm gonna give you the simple easiest method. You can see here the three dots, okay, click on the three dots option, and little bit scroll down. You can see here this one option, add to home screen. Okay, this is the option which can make the app of your website. Okay, just click on it. When you click on it, you have to give your name, any sort of name which you want. Chatgpt, we are giving this name, Chatgpt and GPT. Click on it and click on add. Okay, when you click on add, then again click on add, shortcut to Chatgpt to add to your home screen. You can see here the option which gone. So you can see here this one option, Chatgpt, you can see here. Okay, so when you click on it, it will directly bring you to your website, whatever you want. Okay, it's not actually app, you can say it to app. Okay, so again we are go and click on it, it's work on it. Okay, and there we go, it worked, really worked. Okay, so this is the method which you can make a app of any sort of website. So it's not actually app, but you can say it to app. Okay, so if this video is informative, so make sure that you give the thumbs to this video, and as well leave your opinion in the comment below as well, and subscribe my YouTube channel as well, and press the bell icon as well for receiving the further more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. Allah Hafiz.